Hi here with the stock market live.tv. In fact, I should have said autonomous trading since I'm the CEO of autonomous trading, not the stock market live.tv anymore. But since it is the partner, or one of the partners, today we have here two case studies, and we publish case studies every single day, okay? And double case studies. Firstly, US Steel, you have it here trading at $22.87. This is a tremendous profit, my friends. One trade alert, you pay the service. We confirmed it once again, we proved it once again, 100%. You pay the service for several years, overnight. Okay? So remind my trade alert downgrading US Steel at $27.30, and also establishing the difference between the different programs or service at stock market live.tv. For example, artificial intelligence, the US Steel, which was downgraded to strong sell. Don't forget about the junk rating at $41 an ounce. In other service, more affordable to small investors, we didn't disclose that the downgrade it was to strong sell. We disclosed we are downgrading, but we didn't disclose the level of the downgrade. And therefore, US Steel today collapses 20% since my downgrade. Okay, so again, millions of dollars, one trade alert, and you have the service, for example, the artificial intelligence plan paid in 48 hours. So this is a real fact, okay? And just one example, as I demonstrated in the case of Sears Holdings and so on. So you have to refer to, if you need more information for those that they are mentally disabled, and you have pre-market this article. I repeat, pre-market for people as Donald Trump, you know, tiny brain. You have here the title in English, explicit, even for stupid people. US Steel downgraded. Artificial intelligence proves the impossible is actually possible. Wall Street is doomed, you know. Wall Street again upgrading ahead of the collapse, and they downgrade at the bottom. So doing always the opposite, and continuously profits millions this weekly. All right. The other case study is on the right-hand side. There's a company that very few are aware of, but we have been trading this company, I think, for more than 10 years, okay? I believe, in fact, 15 or so, a long time, MicroStrategy, okay? As you are aware, I have customers that have been with me, you know, 20 years, 10 years, 15 years. This company is a gold mine, MicroStrategy. It has important characteristics, the stock. One of them is a very low float stock. And last year we downgraded this to strong sell. We call it, in fact, MicroStrategy, a bubble, around $225. This was given to subscribers in service at that time. We refer to Platinum, so the most popular service that today is equivalent to the autonomous trading premium. Therefore, that is the most popular service, excepting the case of the artificial intelligence, where today, in fact, we have more demand, but also, in fact, more expensive. So in the end, more expensive the service, more, in fact, more popular it is, because you also have access to more profits and more information. And today this stock is down 25%. The difference between the 2016 and 2017 is that while before we had a strong sell rating, in 2017 we announced the junk rating, okay, above $190, right? This because the Americans, they kept buying, you know, MicroStrategy. The Americans, they are stupid, okay? You know, 95%, they are complete idiots. They have a person as Donald Trump as in the White House, and everything they do the opposite. They buy stocks at the top and they sell at the bottom. Okay, this is mathematically proven. You have all the more than 7,000 case studies online, on the web, on the website, everywhere. And I strongly recommend that you open a free account and you go. There is a list of the stocks ranking, whether they are available in the artificial intelligence, in the premium, the standard, and so on. Okay, this stock here, MicroStrategy, it is very explicit there. Artificial intelligence. What does it mean in the end? It means any stock in the artificial intelligence program, you automatically become a multi-millionaire. Millions of dollars are coming. There is no question about it. So you have this stock down today at open $50 per share. So it went from 190 plus to 130, 3 or so. And then it had a small bounce. It is one of the stocks that obviously I don't recommend to small investors or to gamblers, because those they have very, it's not for them. So this stock is in the artificial intelligence program, and I also wanted to congratulate those that they believed in our view in MicroStrategy. And bear in mind that what you saw happening today in MicroStrategy already happened last year. Okay, so this repeats. The stock, it went to almost $200 several times. Okay, every time it goes to $200, it collapses. You have the trend buying at 200, it collapses. Goes to 200, it collapses. Goes to 200, it collapses. Right? So it's beautiful. You have always profits guaranteed, my friends. There is no question about it. It is proven, all right? Junk rating. Thank you, and bye-bye. We are wishing you very good weekend.